Alright, gonna show you how to make something really cool. See these dancing skeletons right here? Well, the focus right now is on Halloween decorations. So, these really cool InWorld GIFs are really kind of neat. And this one was made from a video clip, which I'll show you later. But you can also make them using something as simple as just a GIF. And I'm going to show you how. And what I've done is I've gone to Tenor and I found a GIF of a flying witch that I wanted to use. So now what we can do is we go to this website, and I'll give you the link. It's MrMonke, and it's AniGifToLSL. Alright, and then what we're going to want to do is I'm going to go in here first and say resize to 90%. You want to keep most of it, the quality of it, right? We want to say upload, and I just created a special folder, and it's special because I accidentally left my caps lock on when I made it. So I'm going to grab my GIF that I want to use and upload it. Takes a minute. So using a GIF that you already have makes it sort of easier, because usually you don't have to worry about the size or whatever. So once you upload it, then it's going to tell you on incidentally, look, 52 days, 1 hour, 31 minutes until Halloween. It shows you target animation and then your source GIF video, and you can hit forward, reverse, all that stuff. So you can show what the FPS is and all that, and you can show it's going to show 22 frames, and then you can show you know what it's going to look like. So anyway, so it's going to show what the name for the object in SL is going to be. We're not in SL, but works the same. So we can look down here and see each individual frame. There's going to be 22 frames in our animated sequence, which that's what it is, animated sequence. And you can sit here and watch them sort of build. Now I'm using a lot of resources on my PC right now because I am in the open sim at the moment. I'm also running video capture program to record this, and I'm also running audio capture. So it's taken a while to build all this. I don't have to sit here and wait. I already know what this is going to look like. I can tell pretty much from this animation up here what it's going to look like. But at any rate, it's going to work. So I don't see any issues with it. Everything looks fine to me. I don't want to edit anything, so I'm just gonna leave it as is. And then what we're gonna do here is we're gonna say, now you can change the name here if you want to, but just hit create texture and script. That's all you need to do. A little bar pops up here. And here we go. It takes you to this new screen, and what you can do, this script that's generated is specifically for this texture that you just created. So you can't take this script and use it for a bunch of different scripts and all that. And you can't change the name, things like that. So what you have is this new texture. So what you're going to want to do is download that texture, and then what you're going to want to do is grab that that script. And now we've downloaded it. So let's see. There's our texture. Okay, here's our script. Now, make sure we have all parts of it. Yeah, LSL, so that's our script. So what we want to do is, let's just go ahead and go to that folder. Whoops. And grab our script here. And then what we're going to want to do is we're just going to take this script and select all, and we're going to copy that, and then we're going to go InWorld here, and then let's go ahead and build upload. I'm going to want an image, and then let's see, we're in Halloween decor. This is the image we want right here, this PNG. I'm going to say open, upload. And I know it's a funky looking image. That's what we want. It's uploading, uploading, uploading. I'm just going to wait for it to finish. I have to sip my coffee. There we go. Okay, now build and just make you a cube. Easiest thing to do. I usually stretch it out a bit so I can see it. And then you go to content, and you don't have to name it anything. Just go new script, open script, delete what's in there, paste your script in there because we copied it already, save it, close that, and then now what you want to do is you'll look around this cube because one side of it, and it's probably the back side back there, one side of it's going to be, let's turn the lights on in here, can't see anything, it's midday, okay, see one side of it is crawling around, that's only on one face, okay? The script is doing that. So what we want to do is select that face, and now the texture that we just uploaded, we want to drag that onto that face. Okay? And you can make it full bright if you want to. There you go. Now you got your flying witch. That's the way it works. And now you can, do what you want with the rest of the cube. So normally what I do is come on now. I got so much stuff running on this PC right now. I mean, I just reduce the depth of it a little bit, whatever. So now what you have is you have your basically like a video screen, right? So so now you're all set up with your Halloween decor. It's like a moving poster, right? Now it's a scripted object. You have there's a menu. You can decrease the FPS, you can increase the FPS, you can reset the FPS, you can change the height, you can increase it by 10%. You can change the width, increase it by 10%. All right, and then so there you go. You can kill the scripts in there, and I can't remember if you can delete the scripts for good and it stays working. I don't remember, but anyway, you can read more about it on the website where it came from. But the website's not my work, but it's a really great tool, great resource. The skeletons, what I had to do with that, it's a little different tale, and I won't try to do it with my computer running all these different processes, but it's the same principle. But what I had to do was I had to use my video editor, and I had to take a video clip of the dancing skeletons, and I had to edit it down to where it was only just a few seconds long, because the website where you upload to, which is the home page here, you are only allowed to upload something, I believe it's 10 megabytes. So if you try to upload a big video, it's not going to work. You have to be able to have editing capabilities, and I had to basically take this video of the dancing skeletons and knock it way down and only make it a few seconds long to where it was only 10 megabytes. I think it was like 4 or 5 seconds or something like that. Was just under the 10 megabytes. So anyway, there you go. That's how you create using that website, and I will post the link below. Thank you for watching.